What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Tyler and today we're going to be talking about making easy money. This is something any of you that are watching right now could easily do. I'm sure there's plenty of things just around your room or wherever you're sitting that you could sell for a quick $50, $100, who knows what. I'm taking a scheduled break over the last 2 months due to the current situations and nothing's been selling. But I've seen a big increase in sales over the last week or two, so I'm going to start getting back into it. Gonna start looking for more stuff to get, more stuff to resell. And if you've never done this before, the best place to start is in your room. So today we're gonna go over the whole process about how you find stuff and how you list it on there. Really easy, stick around and we're gonna get right into it. First up, I'm gonna just show you some of the stuff I found. Maybe this will give you ideas on what you can find. Coming up first, if you've seen other videos on this channel, it's one of my favorite things to flip. I find these things all the time, and that's TI-84 calculators. I have 4 of those here, and these are gonna be sold through Amazon. All the stuff at first is gonna be through Amazon. That's really easy to do. All you do is go to amazonseller.com, make a profile, and later on this video, I'll show you how you list stuff on it. Extremely easy. We have a digital voice recorder. Now, believe it or not, these are actually very good to sell. No one even thinks someone would actually want to buy one of these. Find them new or even used. You can always sell these on Amazon. I think this one's worth like $50. The last few things I'm selling on Amazon are these books. There's 4 of them here. Just some books that I didn't like at all. The thing about Amazon is you can just send all these items in and they do all the work. They pack it, they ship it. You don't have to do anything after you send the stuff into them. Now let's get to the eBay stuff, and this is probably where I would start if I was getting into reselling or trying to just make a quick buck, maybe off something around my room. First up, we're gonna start with the Supreme New York hat. Yes, this is a real Supreme hat. I'm kind of an idiot for buying it because I wore it maybe twice. It will sell for about $50 profit on eBay just because Supreme. Another Supreme item, I've had this in another video, but it's the Supreme Band-Aids. I figured I am not gonna need these, and they're quite expensive Band-Aids. I can probably make $20 off these on eBay. I've been putting a $3 Band-Aid on my scratch or injury, and I don't really wanna do that. True wireless earbuds. Now, I got these from a company that just sends me free stuff to review. I've had another video about that. Sony tapes, or I think they're just empty storage. I really don't even know what they are, but I looked them up and they sell. I think this is some sort of binoculars. I don't know. I looked through these and they make things look closer than they are. Next, I have this longboard I have right here. I believe I bought it for $100 and I haven't used it since, and that was about 3 years ago. Last but not least, I have a bunch of airsoft stuff. As you can see, the mask, and we have this shotgun right here. I guess I graduated to BB guns now. All right, guys, for simplicity's sake, we're gonna be doing the longboard just because it's more interesting than, say, a calculator or a voice recorder. So we got the longboard here, and this is how I look stuff up on eBay to know what I can sell it for and if it sells at all. So of course, we're gonna click on eBay here. We're gonna go to search for anything, which is just at the top there. We're gonna type in, what is this called? It says Yokoher longboards. I don't know anything about longboards, but you just read what's on the item and it will come up. Type that in, a bunch of search results come up. You're gonna go to the filter, which is gonna be on the side right here. You're gonna click the filter. You're gonna scroll down a little bit and we're gonna click sold items, which you see right there, we clicked sold items. It's just gonna be on the filter area. Click done in the top corner. And we're gonna see a bunch of stuff that's sold recently. Let's see, we're gonna look for one that's pre-owned. So here's one that's pre-owned. This thing sold on May 12th. Click on that listing. It's gonna say see original listing right under it. We're gonna click that. The pictures they posted, the price they had it at, the price they sold it at, what their shipping was, what their description was. And we're just gonna go to the top and click sell one like this. You're just gonna add the photos of your item and you're gonna go to their listing, copy over the description, copy over the title, copy over just everything, the price. You don't have to do anything. You just have to take pictures of it and look it up. And that's how you sell stuff on eBay. I'm talking same story, different app with Amazon. So here's something I'm selling on Amazon, the voice recorder that you probably don't think sells, but I promise you it sells. Looks like that, click that. Within the app, it's gonna say add a product up here. Click add a product, type in whatever the product is. And actually, for something that has a case like this, you can actually just click the camera up here. You can just go to the barcode or even a picture of the front of it. And as you can see, it already scanned it and everything. It came up with the listing right here. Click the listing. It is already gonna tell you how much you can make off of it new. And if it's used, of course, go to used. Adjust your price based on the condition if it's used. Then you just click sell. And just like eBay, it's gonna take you through adding pictures, a description. You don't even have to add a description on new things because it's new. There's nothing to tell them about. That's really all you gotta do. And just so you know if something's gonna sell, you can see this sales rank at the bottom here. That sales rank was for office products. As you can see at the top of the listing here, office products. And you can find these online. It's just a paper that tells you what's in the 1% of sales ranks. And I mean, you could just screenshot this here if you wanted, but we go down to office products here. It says the 1% is 70,000, and obviously that's outside of it. But then if you go to the top 3%, it's 211,000, which this item's within the top 3% of office products on Amazon. So it's gonna sell at some point, maybe not as fast as the top 1% product, but this is all you need to really figure out whether something's gonna sell or not. The lower the number within the category, the faster it's gonna sell. Bit of a last minute video for you guys here, but I hope you guys enjoyed this one. As I said throughout the video, you could probably find something right next to you right now that you could sell for an easy $50. It's easy as that. Just go scan some stuff on Amazon or go look some stuff up on eBay, and I'll see you in the next one. Forgot I even had these, but you can sell literally anything, like Nerf guns, anything. All right, bye.